chaos starts.
So we need to buy Jesse nga pala just in case. Wala tayong ano.
Mamaya na sa Mercury.
Mercury, yeah. Let's go back.
Yan, kaya na tayo dito.
Tawid dito.
Tatawid dito.
May anak, may bata to.
Wala lang.
With the cars, with the pedestrian,
Ganyan lang,
they just keep
ganyan yan.
crossing and they don't care, they don't mind. No restriction, no like you can, diba? Go on your own risk. Diba this one, say look at this intersection, there's no light, we can go straight, right? See? Whoever comes first, you can go straight, just go straight. Look at that, right? Wala yan, wala pang pulis eh, wala pang nag-ano, the traffic.
In the middle of the street.
Oh my goodness.
He's just pulling over, picking up passengers. Yes. Got it of the Philippines. Only in the Philippines.
Can you deal with that? I can, for sure. That's what I do. That's what I do. Go, man, go.
Whoa.
Stamina, parang kilala, ano ko yung stamina. Do you see my bag?
I already told you it's there.
Ano, para tinaw kung nasaan ko siya, ano? Kasi yung cellphone nandiyan, may mag-text sa atin. School din to eh. Yung mga dadaan natin maraming school. So